Mahama question na Akufo-Addo say edi enti na ebi mu betimatua fie sika na still so mu omuntua na obi anko ne free ana Akufo-Addo beka kire mo Ghanafo ne Mahama say se wo de wo so wanya sika na ubetimatua wo bani sika fa ne kɔ private schools fa ne kɔ private schools enti enne yo no se oba be free SHS ni yi no kutie obi unim 30,000 Ghana cedis mekra meti figure na me yema nim se your friend is one abo no se figure na for na ni so dia 30,000 Ghana cedis it is kind 300 million
but also I think that the catcher Nipani be omo minister of education man no hwese obi nice grade or dia bremi community 16 amete ohumi awa ya na wote se me ye mpi no de buy ne ba no pay school be me pese me body memo no for kind of placement within a week I me push no what me the evidence I bet me 30,000 cedis for admission to the school
what year
because of person one and the banner aden ye ho sa 300 million busa na the obano kwasa school na automatically obeba be ye president minister doctor lawyer teacher na say obeye den kwasa school na but well akwala na ho no person okọ e ho no okọ beto mesua na ade because e bo ni trim nkwala de so sa sika na nipa na
je wanya
ya place no
300
million Ghana cedis or the 30,000 current cedis.
Yes.
Why? Oh my no. And that and nothing America say not to interfere, but for supervision, monitoring. Yema DC, MCs, KMA board, Obian delegate or undelegated nipa back, delegate one person.
Now on school, the
governing board, no more admission no. Anya sa ensema ekokoso na ye fa na say nye hwe no eno ne gu aban
we've all agreed say the computer na be placement
yes
and the aya say asha masa system no yeah this is the say no
ye worse than first na obi akope na de no because I can make sure say
computer and the obi to school be the person mempe and paying money left right center.
So grade A, grade B, one identity. So I didn't know will be school where na meko.
Oh, Charlie.
The only admission will honor that done ye general 1,500 na yes, and the only super honor so I already said 20,000, 30,000. Why? So say I'm here. It's
really sad. And some of the new yet to say schools need be exist student this one family school. I'm like
one say by Minister of Education say I'm feeding
yes
you decentralizing
yeah and a later aban who say
na me wo aban nim omode ba no me can say benya challenge say supervising the old one now if central government no ba no challenge is a bear mu bebre say do baby na supply na biana na
sure
until now on a challenge. Me feel say cause do baby I go from senior high technical school. Omodi go be twice be 3 weeks. The only a year na wo mo ho Gareni beans. Omodi twice be 2 weeks. Entinenye. But say decentralization na e good because by bikura they can get the food stuffs no.
Yeah,
market bi price and perishables na they are doing form. But so what
so paso dada Ghana ni no to abama as a president adia Ghana ni dodo na muhia eye food bitters enku e de besa na e de beto so wifi wo de ye free data wo be do so 30 years wo wo nye campaign o omo abeya ma because ye dia punch nam a punch and ye dada headmaster for amasaman say president mama son de oba obama osika de kodwa koto ponche enu nti no me yanda grand campaign amenne awofo bebre na nipa ka kra de di ame omo no mama no mafu eton because of food etina me say me my president me for president for the whole Africa abe do Ghana free food, free bitters, free Wi-Fi, free water, free Clayton, mad best random already. No me. Because Cody for me hokra. 20 in the whole Africa, make 20 the bitters, and member na monum. Namusi munya ding, namone man and namongo. No school, no church, no mosque. Also, I was seeing menchi, blabedi. Because most of Ghana for the food. Nanka is a free education. I did free no. Say half quarter crying. And now Kuleko Square, the pickers, ya the shovel, ya the bentua, ya the asso, ya the mob, ya the omo, ya the. Why? Wow, to a taddy. It's like sometimes it's me doing them. Nagana for pa. Why President Mahama again? Mi busawo. Why? One go school. Minister with me nibi, MP with me nibi. And for so obenya, wako school kwampo na uni opportunity ya. Udi kwa ye MP. Eti for so obenya ni se kaya buanu wa oba. Aponchi na munti, aponchi. Dokune nchina munti. Mwanga sa hebra mobre. Last week me kwa pam senior high. Kwane kwa Headmaster Tenase, and OBM, Omonim, Asonim, Kotopikas bra, Kotoribra, meaning in the name of Aponchinamunti. And at Nipa credited Diamen, and I do na ewu, Munye ho, me say, Yen Nani Omo, Ube Kobi, Miss Be Kobi, Minia Be Kobi, Yen Nayari, Yen Nani Ebre. It be seen mayor president, Miminia campaign, Mwamba Wayamame.
We are free as such as Madame Gobe. MPP time na end this for to us some can say. Free as such as the minimum so we use can what am bag na ko endra me say me sister de ne back to school every adonting. Check no. Omo je 400 Ghana cedi. Check no. Na omo cheche wo mumu okwa ya se kotua 200 wa, kotua 300 wa, kotua 70 cedi wa, kotua se endra ba ye no. Upon you man watoto ni nyina oba ye no na 2000 na eko upon you man watoto school list na wakwa jene akola no bibia and dress school mun ko spend 2000 na mo amoto na adult time no mo ka say na adult time na akola provisions keka na moto mamoma na adult time no provide everything. I don't think Korea my sister no neba ewie last year. I don't think Korea me cousin baako ema mienu akọ I don't think Korea me ame bra ema wo nyina akọ ekufo ado time anye sei enim guase akwaba enim guase akwaba iwe wo omo si ati dollar so ye na eme ya ye ton sister hwenko ye ma mpeni no nke so ohwe na enuama mumungu kakra emunye no kama na ado wo sta na eye pa na eye sesi anema ye ton China fo na bebie bebre wo baby ye mpeni fo na amom kwan a omo ntimi mfe omo pe emba sesi aya pass ari ton egu obi asori okọ China mo obi asori a okọ mo wati ase nso before na omampeni dada no so no na ewo ho kwa na enko so te se dia sesi e ekoso sesi a wo fa he ya ye bie bi wa ha wo fa aha ye bie Madi no ma bie bi wo ho no just say baby bebre nti ama ye business e kofom nti to me de ene omo nya adwen kra entimi moa ya 24 hours na ye omu dada adwuma ye bi mu kwa anadwo wo VIP stations a e wo hwa to adechi nti eno na wo dada enye ono no de beba sister emunya o enko yie kra. Okay, now say who sisi say first na ye mampenyi dada na dan kwa kwado na China mo na ekoso but nei aginsemu chen sister aginsemu ye ne me ya ton wo ko wo matete so fofofo na o giri say aban sister ni nsa wo mbebre aban se ni ma enye yesa nsa wo because wa gisika kese efi wo mo nchen nti ene yo mo ba so mo pe anim ha kra ye ni hwia ye beka ababa itime dia mom because omo o school mo de betua ye ni bi ekoba ne sa atimem fo na ye bre wo ko China mos ni ade na o mafa Ghana for no workers kitu ebi na de be ma obi wo mkro ebedu month no kra na osan kra bobosia ato aduane enya fine nti saa na nka ojejeje nkrofo no mbe China mo no nka obi adwumaku obi na nka ye nkwala na omo ha na omo awie school no ebi mu anya bi aye ebi mu nya bi ya sister mejede se no kra ebe makro no na eso ate boys bebre awie school girls bebre awie school adwuma ni o manyimu omo de na ma China no obi factories bi na ebi tomato factory ye we ya ebi mu benye bi aye wohu de na omo de ama China fo no na omo ba na omo asese sika de aba na ya timemufo no ya ho kire ye de a mi sister enkoyie the same thing and sister na do ho na ye kakra na ye chance sia na edwuma ni o man ba na ye o metimi aka say edwuma de na do time wo ho no na edwuma wo ho de nti ameka sa say edwuma wo we e bia me edwuma me ye me won kwala me no ame na omo ye edwuma makofa ne ama ne ye ton ba akoba no sesi ana ya sesa ban na ama ne ama akofom no ena me di kan ye no China fo na bia edwuma ne bebre ti wontimi ntua nkwala me ensa na me enuka age wo fa ba ako esa nso no so kwotene fiade na obedi nti ama sesi ana edwuma ne de akofom bebre ye hwe